In this video, we'll show you how to download and install the CTEK driver for commissioning and configuring your ChargeStorm connected charger. Open a web browser and navigate to the ctek.com homepage. When presented with country options, select the Stay on Global option. Using the Pages menus, select Support and then Software and Firmware. Alternatively, open your browser and go directly to ctek.com/support/software-firmware. Once on the software-firmware page, navigate to the CTEK driver for Windows button, clicking the link to download the driver zip file. Open the download folder via the web browser. Select and right-click on the downloaded file and select Extract All. Open the CTEK driver folder. Select and right-click the ChargeStorm license file and select Install Certificate. Open, and then Local Machine to store the driver on the current laptop. Select Next to continue. A dialog window will appear to confirm selection and allow driver certificates install to begin. When choosing a location to store the certificate, please select Browse. Choose a folder named Trusted Root Certification Authorities. Select OK, then Next, and finally select Finish. Select and right-click the CTEK_driver, and then choose Install. Select Open, and then Yes to confirm installation on the dialog window. The install will take a few seconds. Select OK to continue. Close all open dialog boxes and folders. You have now installed the CTEK driver for Windows.